Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is Jason from Makitech. Hey guys, I hope you all are good and doing great. So guys, the reason for doing this video, it's not about related to the tech. So you know that the present situation due to this COVID-19, the entire world was suffering. Where some of the people after affected also they easily get survival and come back to the home, but whereas some people loses their lives. So that makes me to make this video. And also guys, the reason for this Wikitech channel, I have very interested to do the tech reviews and the gadgets reviews very much, but actually the category of this channel also is related to the tech only, but the surroundings which makes me to do this type of videos. Last time I make a video by saying that about the China banning the China app. In that video I clearly said that being part to make this video, I was very happy, feeling proud, but making this video makes me really upset and very mind was not working from the today morning onwards. I will explain you why like that. The thing is guys, usually I was going to watch a lot of movies from Hollywood. We know that there was a lot of movies on the World War Z. So in that movie there was a virus attack to the people. So the people who did not get the virus need to survival, where the entire world, 99% of the world people was suffering with the virus, and but only 1% of the people did not get the virus, so they have to survive in that movie. So I feel at that time when I'm watching very long years back, I feel like that suppose if it is in real life, then what is the situation? Like I have the thoughts like that. But today the situation is 2020. Unfortunately, an incident happened in the China, but whatever it may be, whether the entire world was suffering. So guys, suppose what I want to tell you here is I have a friend. So he is also a good person, but he had a habit to visit to the new places every time. So like that, in this type situation also, he go and meet different people outside. So I told him it is not good to do to meet new persons, to spend even with the friends also especially in the public places. But he did not care my words. I mean, he has a very confident, even if the disease, even if the virus attack me, with my resistance power I can easily survival and I will easily get out from the situation. He has that mindset. Usually me also had the same mindset. Maybe you people also have the same mindset. That's a good thing we need to appreciate. But the thing we need to understand, and the reason for making this video, suppose I'm the person who went outside and who contact with a lot of people, and I'm the person who get that virus with how I was affected with that virus. So at that time, suppose if I get the virus also, I don't know whether I had that infection. So I come back to my home and I spend with my family, my parents, my sisters, everyone, my grandfathers, everything I will spend. So like that guys, my friend also spend with his family members, but unfortunately that virus was spread to two of these family members, including him and another two persons. But where in that list his elder people, his grandfather was also there in that list. So unfortunately today morning I heard the news that he lost his grandfather. That makes me, I don't know how to react also. So guys, please, life is very valuable. Because of this virus, a lot of people was dying. If you are the young stars, then you have good resistance power and you can easily survival. But because of you, your family people and especially the elders in your home suffer. So please don't go outside and please make awareness. And also every day the doctors telling us to take the steam, so that's why I want to tell you some precautions. So when you going outside, it's better to remove the rings in your fingers. If you have any rings, it's better to remove the rings to your fingers, and also better to remove the watches also, because usually these are the objects. The watches and the rings was the objects, so these objects can easily grab the bacteria. So that's why the doctor also told it clearly. So it is very good idea when you're going outside, if it is possible, remove your rings if you have, and also remove the watches, and also it is better not to use the mobile phone long time in the public places. So usually these objects was very speed to contact the bacteria. So it is present situation, you know that it is not good. And also guys, every day when you wake up, take the hot water, boil the hot water off later, and here is the capsules. I was going to show you the screenshot. So these capsules, you need to sneeze in that hot water, and you need to take the deep steam, so then only it will be good for us. This capsules helps us for us to refresh the respiration and clean the lungs. So this capsule was helpful for us. Suppose if you do not find this type of capsules in the local market, then use the turmeric. So usually use the turmeric in the cook items, so kitchen room. So if it is possible, please use the turmeric. So guys, please understand the situation was, I don't know whether after seeing this video how my friend react, but anyhow from today onwards my mind was completely stuck. I don't know how to speak also react this situation. But I was requesting you, if you go outside, yes, you can go, but if you have get the disease when you come back to your home, unfortunately we also don't know we have that, then we are going to contact with all the people. So I don't know how to react. And also guys, the last thing, suppose if any person die, then according to their religious culture, whereas the Hindus will get into funeral, the remaining religions will get into the put the body on the card box, and that card box will put on the earth. But whereas if the person die with this epidemic virus disease, then we can't even see the body also. So I was kindly requesting you, please understand my pain. Actually, to make this video, I'm not getting the words also. I don't know what I'm speaking right now, so that's why please be caution. And according to YouTube policies, making the videos on this COVID is against, but my channel is very new. I take risk to do that because I told you that the reason for putting this channel, I want to interact with all over the India. So that's the main motto of me to put this WikiTech channel. But unfortunately, the incidents which was happening me makes me to make the videos on other categories also, because my backside of my home was completely locked down, where in one word, in my entire home, left and right, there was the COVID cases was there. So that's why I was kindly requesting you, please be careful and please be caution. But keep in mind, if you get the virus, then you are indirectly killing your elders. If you have elders in your home, not only elders, even if you have young people also, I have seen that in the newspapers, whereas some young people also are dying because of this COVID. So anyhow, but keep in mind, if you're doing anything unwanted contact in the public, you are indirectly going to kill your family people also. That's it. So guys, I usually when I make the video, I ask the people, please subscribe the channel, like that I was, but no need to subscribe after watching this video. No need to like the video also, no need to give the comment, no need to share also. But just keep in mind, don't go outside, and if you're going outside, be careful, remove your smart watches or even the watches. And if you have rings to your fingers, better to remove the rings and put it in home. And also better not to use the mobile phone in the public places, because the object easily grab the bacteria. So that's why I was saying like that. But anyhow, thank you so much guys for spending your valuable time with me.